Hello everyone, this is Lana from South Florida with another blooming plant that I just love. I love these yellow colors with the red freckles. Looks just like little sunshine or sun kiss. How pretty. This is, I think, Brassavola, BL Yellowbird. I have this plant for a little over a year. I purchased it in Home Depot or Lowe's as a baby plant. It comes in a little green pot. It still stays in original pot, and the roots looks pretty healthy. This plant, I would say, quadruple in size since I bought it. This is the first time bloomer. It was my baby, and it's so happy. It has 4 flower spikes, 3 blooming and 1 still yet to open. Some of them have 2 flowers on a spike. This one has 3. I just love little birds, yellow birds and green birds. I love Brassavolas. They bloom in clusters and fun colors. Love it. I was so excited to see it blooming. So beautiful. I get so excited for my first bloomers. It's really started 2 years ago with my collection of orchids. Most of them within one and a year, year and 2. But I do have few that older. They are older orchids. But I did start collecting them 2 years ago, so most of them are babies, first bloomers. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.